Well, we're in the 17 Cruze, and typical Cruze stuff, I got a service engine light. So I figured before I call the dealership, I'll run the scanner. So I plugged it in and I run it, and I'm getting a P305E. Well, okay, I'll just take my book here and look for that code. 400s. Oh, here we go. 305. Cylinder 5 misfire detected. Well, that's understandable that I have a misfire in cylinder 5 because this is a fucking 4-cylinder. This car, I'm telling you, I'd drive the damn thing off of a bridge. Anybody else have this problem? Let me know in the comments.